Welcome to biology class. What a wonderful feeling it is to be full of energy, enthusiasm, be energetic, and be able to do all the things that we want to do in our life. This is a dream of one and all. But for this dream to be true, one needs one important factor, that is health. So today we will start our next chapter, health and hygiene. Health is wealth, is what we hear from everyone. We hear it so much that most of us never really think much about what it means. Health is most often considered to be a state of complete physical well being, but it is even important for us to be mentally and socially healthy. We can be really happy if we are healthy from within. Many people say to be healthy, one should not have any illness or one should be disease free. That is correct too. But according to World Health Organization WHO, health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. Sometimes we feel some unusual feeling or discomfort that causes extreme pain, distress, or dysfunction. It is often referred to as disease. Disease literally means not being in a comfortable state. Any physical or functional change in the body from a normal change which causes discomfort is called disease. Children, you all are familiar with the greatest challenge we all are facing due to pandemic situation caused by COVID-19. It has created global health crisis. It is advised to maintain social distancing, wear mask and wash your hands regularly. I hope you all know the reason why. Coronavirus can be transmitted from one person to another through sneezing or coughing. Public transport is a primary site for transmission, and the incubation period is between 1 to 14 days, so we must protect ourselves. On the other hand, if you are suffering from hypertension or diabetes, do you need to maintain social distancing? I believe that your answer will be no, because we know that disease like hypertension or diabetes cannot be transmitted from one person to another. So basically, there are two types of diseases, non communicable diseases and communicable diseases. Non communicable diseases. The diseases that cannot spread from one person to another are called non communicable diseases. For example, diabetes, asthma, etc. They do not spread from one person to another. Communicable diseases. The diseases that can spread from one person to another are called communicable diseases, as we have discussed about COVID-19, which can spread from one person to another. Children, we will discuss these diseases later in this chapter. In today's video, we learnt about health and two types of diseases, that is communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. I hope you have understood and enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you and stay safe.